Hello and welcome to the Intro to Handshake info session. Just a quick introduction, we are Career and Trades for Connections, and if you haven't heard of our department before, we offer many services you may find useful. On the career side of things, we assist students with writing resumes and cover letters, preparing for interviews, and job and internship search. We also assist students with earning college credit for their internships. Lastly, we help students through the transfer process. This includes sharing general information about transfer, connecting students to universities, and helping students with their university applications and next steps after applying. In this info session, we will be going over what Handshake is and why it matters, how to get discovered by employers, and tips for navigating the platform. Handshake is the #1 way college students find jobs. This is one of the key distinctions between Handshake and other job boards. Handshake is designed for folks looking for job opportunities, just getting started in their careers, or looking to make a pivot to a new industry. You do not need to start off having a huge network of connections or previous experience in the field that you are looking to get into. The roles and ops focus on no luck, connections, or experience required. Let's talk about the ways that you can use Handshake. #1, get hired. You can plug in your criteria to let employers know what you are looking for, and you will find a list of roles that match that criteria. Once you start saving jobs, internships, or other opportunities that are a good fit for you, that helps Handshake recommend more jobs that are similar. #2, get discovered. Employers will use things like your school, location, interests, and skills to search for and connect with you to share an open role that looks like a good fit. They may even invite you to an upcoming event. #3, get connected. You can schedule live info chats with employers or message them through Handshake. These opportunities may be seen on the job postings. #4, get expert help. Visit our Career Center homepage and all the ways you can use it. You can get connected to Career and Transfer Connection staff, curated employers, and lists that our career office curated for you and that will change over time. Take a look and follow the employers that catch your eye. Now we'll go a little bit more into depth to each of these ways you can use Handshake. Okay, first we'll go over discovering jobs and getting hired. Over 850,000 employers of all industries, locations, and sizes are on Handshake. That includes 100% of the Fortune 500 companies. Handshake is increasingly known as the #1 place for employers to go to recruit early talent, meaning first job ever or first job in the new industry, whether you're changing careers or returning to the workforce after taking some time off. Employers can use things like your school or program, major, skills, and interests to search for students that match what they are looking for and proactively reach out to students to invite them to connect, attend an event, or apply for an open role. Fun fact, 80% of students with the complete profile receive a direct message from an employer. The volume of employers Handshake has means incredible coverage across career interests. Now we'll be going on to the second way you can use Handshake, getting discovered. Complete your profile and get it as close to 100% completion as possible. Don't forget, 80% of students with these three must-haves will receive a DM from an employer. Your profile is your place to show who you are. Add your experiences, your journey, your bio, skills, and projects to help employers understand your experience. Explore the job roles page, where you can filter by broad or specific types of jobs and internships to find what you're looking for. The third way of using Handshake is getting connected. You can search for employers who are open to messaging, and either through their profile or directly on job postings, you will see recruiters who are open to virtual info chats. Leverage this opportunity to learn more about their company, what it's like to work there, and what they are looking for in candidates. You may notice recruiters making themselves available to chat directly on job postings. You can sign up for a time to chat with an employer to learn more about the company or any open positions. The best way to stand out to recruiters is to take the time to learn more about their companies. Explore events that interest you and register to attend. Always follow up after meeting a potential employer with a brief and personalized thank you note. For example, our department hosts a student job fair every spring, so when that time comes, students will be able to register for the event on Handshake. Moving on to the fourth way you can use Handshake, getting expert help. The Career Services homepage acts as your hub to connect with our team. You can do things like explore resources, complete surveys, view curated employers, view local job opportunities, and on-campus events. Time to get started on Handshake. If you haven't downloaded the Handshake app yet, be sure to do it soon. Select the single sign-on and log in with your Sierra College credentials. Once you're logged on your homepage you'll find personalized recommendations from events to jobs. In the Events tab, you'll see all the events in the area, including virtual events. In the Jobs tab, you can explore jobs to get an idea of what you're interested in. Filter to find more specific opportunities and check out reviews. In the Employers tab, you can use this to discover your short list of target employers. The more accurate your career interests are, the more specific your recommendations will become. For your profile, make sure you update your profile. Pursue the Discover More Students section where you can see others on the network. You can filter out just for students from our school as well. Lastly, notification preferences and adding additional emails. Select where and how often you want to receive notifications. Thank you for watching our Intro to Handshake video. If you have any questions or need any assistance with Handshake, feel free to always contact our Career and Transfer Connections department. We're always here to help.